Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we will be demolishing and rebuilding a 3-bedroom bungalow in Spintex. Before we continue, kindly take a moment to hit the like button on this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. If you have any comments and suggestions concerning this video, kindly drop them in the comment section below and we'll do our best to respond to them. As with all projects, once we were contracted, we did a thorough assessment of the existing structure. We concluded that this structure was not fit for habitation and needed to be pulled down immediately. We had to pull down this structure and build it back up because the group that built it did not know and understand the process of building. This is why you need experts anytime you're putting up a building. And don't just take the word of anyone that says they can build. Always use the experts. After taking down the roof, we began the process of pulling down the existing structure. This process took a day to complete. After demolition was completed, we had a clean slate, or in this case, bare land to build on. The old building occupied one plot, but with our design, we can put 2 buildings on one plot. The materials have been brought in, so work can now start. Excavation has started. You can now see the block work for footings also ongoing. With the footings done, we proceed with the filling. Casting is now done, which means block work for the superstructure can now begin. We've now reached the height for the lintel. Our lintels have been cast, so one more round of block work and then the roof can go in. materials on site, we can now begin work on the roof members. Our roof is in now, which brings us to the end of part 1 of this video. In part 2, we will be doing plastering, sealing, tile work, and many more. If you found this video to be helpful, kindly give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Until next time, cheers.